This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about deli containers, specifically these Basic Nature PLA deli containers and lids. They've got multiple sizes and 2 lid options. It's important to note the lids are sold separately, so you want to make sure you buy your desired lids when you're buying your bottoms. They come in several sizes. We have our small 8-ounce, 12-ounce, 16, 24, and 32. The PLA is a bioplastic that's cornstarch based and is commercially compostable and biodegradable, making them a fantastic option for disposable deli containers. And the sizes make them great if you're looking for a lot of different options for things like sides, cold salads, soups, or even prepping items as well. So these are a fantastic option for busy delis, for garnishes, for prepped chopped veggies, for packing up those sides because you have lots of different sizes to sell to your customers, especially things like cold salads and fruit salads. They're made specifically for cold foods and are actually safe to put in the freezer, which makes them also a great option for things like ice cream shops, for your ice cream, sorbet, or gelato as well. The lids are sold separately, and you have 2 options. There's the domed for some extra headroom or height, which I particularly love if you're doing things like ice cream and maybe want to stuff some toppings in there, or the regular flat. It's got a crystal clear finish to help show off your products. So they're great for packing things like bulk items. If you have, say, maybe a gourmet grocery or a small sandwich shop and you want to sell some dry bulk goods as well, these are going to be great for packing up things like snack items, say trail mix, dried fruit, anything like that, candy, and it's going to show off all those beautiful colors and make for a really attractive display. So these are fantastic for delis, ice cream shops, gourmet grocers, candy shops, and even sandwich shops and caterers. The different sizes mean that you have lots of options to fit your needs.